Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you guys how to create a basic HTML website. So first, go to codesandbox.io and it bring up this screen. I have to click create sandbox. So now we'll just go directly and click go to create sandbox, then click static. Then this will take some time to load. So this is a basic HTML page. So let's clear that. Save it, and you notice that everything goes blank. So we open an angle bracket, exclamation mark, and write doc type followed by HTML. This is basically just to tell the page that this is an HTML document and it's not it's not an image file, it's not a text file, it's not a video, it's not a movie, it's not a song. That is an HTML file. So the next thing I'm going to do is create an HTML tag. So as with the first example, HTML tags make use of angle brackets, and you have like angle brackets in the beginning, angle brackets at the end. That's to signify the beginning tag, and there's also an ending tag, HTML. So difference between the beginning tag and the closing tag is this slash before the keyword. So what we have next is the head tag. This contains things like the title. So we have the beginning and the closing head tag. So what comes next is the title, the beginning and the closing title tag. The title takes in text. An example is, this is my first HTML. This is my first HTML page. And I can save that. And as you notice, the page is still blank. So if you want to see the changes made, you just click on this button and it opens in a new tab. So this is your website that you've built. You can even copy this code and give to your friends to try it out. So this is the title of the page. This is my first HTML page. As you can see, it works. So let's go to the next tag. The body tag is after the head tag, beginning and the closing body tag. The body tag is the place where we want all the contents that we want to show on the page will be located. And one of such is the h1 tag. Open this. You open the angle bracket, close it, the closing tag for the h1. In between, we put hello to my website, then close it. As you can see, the h1 tag is an heading tag and there are 6 of them, h1 to h6. So this is h1, and from the largest to the smallest. So let's do the second one, h2. Hello there, h2, close it. As you can see, the h2 is smaller than the h1. So let's write the rest. So let's save that. As you can see, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, from the biggest one to the smallest one. So next we have the P tag, opening tag, hello everyone on the internet. Nice. P is for paragraph, so when you want to write your text, you can have multiple P tags. So here's another one. I there. So there's another I there. So this is another one. And P is for paragraph, so you can have multiple paragraphs. So each one starts on a new line. So we have some other tags that can be used to modify text. An example is EM. So let's do that here. Open is an angle bracket, EM, close it. Then go to where wherever you want it to stop. So let's stop after D. Then the closing slash EM and save. So as you can see, the text is different here. EM means emphasis, so it slants the words. So here is an example: hello everyone, this is slant. And but that's not all. You can also use something like strong, open tag, closing strong tag, and save it. Strong is meant to bold the words, so make this word bold, make this word slant, and hello just remains as it is. So another tag is small tag. You open your angle bracket, type small, close it, and your closing tag small, enter, and save it. And I don't know if you noticed it, but it's smaller. So let's add another text. Hey. Hi there. Hey. Save. Oh, space. But if you notice it's smaller, if you notice this is the normal size, but there is smaller. So if you notice with everything on the page, the color is black, and that's the default color on HTML. So we could add a star attribute. So attributes are meant to complement the tags. So you could write color red and save it. You've noticed this is color red now. And yeah, we could also change it to green. Yeah, any color we want, blue. Yeah. So for styling, there's something called CSS, cascading style sheets, which is specifically meant to style HTML pages. And we won't be going to that today, but I'll be uploading a video on it soon. Next, we have the A tag. Opening tag, close the tag. A tag is used to link to whichever site that you want. So we put, let's say, Google. Pause it. So save it, and that's what we'll show here. But in order for it to work, you need to add an attribute href. So href would link you to whichever website that you want your site, the button to go to. So put https google.com, save it, and this Google button take it to the Google page. Let's open our website in a new tab, click the Google button, and it takes you to google.com. Nice. And if you notice, when we went to our site and click the Google button, it redirected us to google.com, but our website no longer shows. So a way we could avoid that is by adding a target attribute. So the target takes a parameter of underscore blank. So what this does is, whenever you click the button, instead of it opening this page, it will open a new tab. Perfect. So another tag is the img tag, which is the image tag. Like the rest, you don't have to put a closing tag. And it takes also some attributes, which is the source of the image and alt attribute also. And it's supposed to show whenever there's no image. Like now, we've not linked any image to the image tag, so we could do an image, oh, image, and save this. And you notice an image showing. So this is very useful. The alt tag is very useful when you have an image that doesn't load, or maybe there's an internet problem or something, but it just show the text that maybe an image is supposed to be here or something. So let's put an image on our website. Let's go to Giphy or Jiffy, depends on whichever you like. So let's look for an image that we can put on our website. Okay, let's go with this. This is the dog, Secret Life of Pets. So to copy the link to the image, copy it to your clipboard, close this. I put it as the source of the image and save it. I see the image is here. Woo! On your website. So as you notice the Google tag, as you've noticed the Google button and the image tag on the same line. So in case you have tags that you don't want to be on the same line, you could use the break tag, that's BR, save it. So the Google button is up and the image is on its own. So the image also takes other attributes like width. So let's set 250, and height, I said 250. Save. So now the image doesn't take a lot of space. You could restrict the space by the size by which you want. Yeah. So that's about image for now. And another tag you can use similar to the BR tag, which also doesn't need a closing tag, is the HR. Oh, mistake. The HR tag. I save it. The HR tag is an horizontal line. It's not often used, but it might come in handy. And next you have your unordered list, which is the UL tag, opening tag, closing tag. Oh, mistake. Okay. And unlike the rest, the UL tag takes in other tags. So you need your LI tag, and that also has the opening and the closing LI tag. So the unordered list is used to create a list, so it's like a bullet point. So you could do things like um, watch YouTube. Another airline tag. So one of the ways you could use as a shortcut is just tap the tag and press enter. Automatically does the tag for you and you put whatever you want in the middle. Watch Netflix and save it. Just like that. It creates a list for you. So you put could just do li enter listing to Spotify, save it, and you add it to the list. So this is an unordered list. Next we have the ordered list. Like the rest, you could just type it and press enter. Li, press enter. So this is ordered list. So this one has to do with it has numbers. So let me just show you. Maybe just the same thing. Watch YouTube. Watch Netflix. Save. So you see this one is ordered 1, 2. So it's like so it's listed in an ascending order. So from 1 upwards. Listen to Spotify. Save. So 1, 2, 3. Listen to Spotify. So listen to Spotify 1, 2, 3. If you notice everything is a little bit cluttered up, here comes the next tag. It's called the comments tag. It doesn't appear on your website, but it can be very useful for your code. So you begin with your normal angle brackets, exclamation, dash dash. Okay. So it auto closed it for me. So you could do things like h1 to h6. Then you open another comment here and do p dash dash p tag dash dash a tag. You save it, and you notice it's not on my website, but it's in the code. So if someone's reading this code now, they could just read it h1 to h6 p tag a tag. They know what's going on, but it's not on the website, so it's very useful. So another way you might want to group up your tags also is using a div. So I could create opening div, put it a closing tag div. So save that. And this can also be used to group HTML tags and elements, and it gives a little bit of structure. So an example here is, since everything in my h1 to h6 is inside my div tag, I could come here and style everything. I just give the style of color red and save it. I've noticed everything inside this div tag is red, but everything else is normal. Yeah, so that'll be all for today. Thanks for coming to my channel. Hope that was not long. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. The link to the code used in this video will be given in the description. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.